Hi, here is the Minolta Riva Zoom 125EX, date, overall conditions, and here is the battery compartment by opening here, and it using one CR123A battery. Okay. Then next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, and here is the film. About the film, we need to put it here while we need to slide into it to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the canister. Yep. Slide into it and push it in, then pull the film tip to here and make sure that your film is flat like this. Okay, so it's inside already. Then we just close it. Okay, after we close, it will auto load. And when here show figure 1, which means that now you can start shooting right now by clicking here to on it. Okay, and here is the different kind of mode lah. Well, if you want to just use at auto mode also can. This one is the macro mode where it will auto zoom to the max. Yeah. Then this one is portrait, it will auto framing or something. Then this one is night mode and spot metering. Okay, here is you can change the zoom manually. And here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point of the viewfinder, you see there's a circle or dot. So you just use that thing to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it doesn't blink, it light up like this, which means that it's okay to shoot, then you just click it. Yeah. Well, if it's blinking, which means that about the red light is about the flash. If it's blinking, which means that it's charging the flash. While the green light stands for focus. Yeah, you see it keep blinking, which means that it can't focus. So if you shoot it, it also can shoot, just the outcome might have a high chances that it will out of focus. Yeah. So every time you want to use it, just like half press. If it doesn't blink, shoot it. Like that. Wait. Okay. Half press. Okay, if you blink like this, slightly adjust a bit. Yeah, like this. Shoot it. And overall it's like this. Here is the flash setting. Now it's auto, while you can adjust by yourself. This one is with the red eye reduction. While I've tried, and there's nothing different with red eye reduction or without the red eye reduction. Yeah. This one is force flash, which means that it will trigger the flash all the time. Then this one is off the flash. This one is auto. And here is the timer. Timer is also same. Aim to the object you want to shoot, half press it. Okay, the red light light up, which means that it start counting already. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay, then here is the continuous shooting, where you can keep shooting if you didn't release the shutter. Yeah. Then this one is remote. Well, it doesn't come with remote, so yeah, you just ignore it. And overall it's like this, and when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And about the date, you can adjust by here, but if you don't want, you just put it like this. It won't have the date imprinting, because if I'm not wrong, it doesn't until 2025. Yeah, let me adjust and see. Oops. Click the select. Okay, it blink. Then we click the adjust to adjust it. Okay, wait. Okay, it until 2025. Then click select to switch. This one I'm not sure is month or date. This one is the month, and here is the date. You need to click until it switch to another one. Then you click adjust. Can adjust the date by yourself. Then this one is a time. Yeah. So if you want to switch the mode, this one is like different format lah. Now is the year, month, date. This one is the month, date, and the year. Then this one is like keep switching it. This one is the date and the time. If you don't want, click like this will do. And here's the overall function. And hope you enjoy it.